Hello everyone, it's E66, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic and home repair guy, I guess. And do you have a Dyson that the filter right here is full? As you can see right there in my handy dandy video. I'm going to show you how to fix that today. Enjoy. Alright, first thing, you have this button you hit here, and there's also one on the other side. You got to hit both of them. That takes the top off of this. Next part, you have this metal grill that takes the filter off. Ta-da. See, not too hard, not too hard. This is your old filter. Wow, that's terrible, and I just made a mess. I'm going to pause the video real quick while I clean up. Okay, that was a mess. After my handy dandy Craftsman handheld vacuum cleaner, that helped considerably. So, we're going to get the new ones out. Take it out. Slide the new filter in. It goes over just like that. Put your rabbit ears, as I like to call them, back on there. Make sure they're both put. And now, we're going to do the most important part in just a second. So now we're going to reset the filter status light, and we're going to use the remote that came with it. Ignore mine that has been chewed. We're going to hold down the power button. Watch that. See that little thingy's going off. I don't know what it means, but it's something important, I guess. And boom, filter's reset. It's been Z66. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.